Good morning, kindergarten. Today in math, we're going to focus on triangles. Remember, a triangle has 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3, and 3 sides. Let's look at the sides. 1, 2, 3. So I want you to print the page off of the website and cut out and paste triangles and not triangles on this page. Then you're going to move to this page. Down here, you're going to color in any triangles. So is this a triangle? No, it's a circle. You guys are right. This is a diamond, correct. What about this one? This is a triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 vertices and 1, 2, 3 sides. Good job. So you're just going to take your pencil and you can shade it in. You can use a crayon, marker. Don't use a marker because it will mark up your book. Use a crayon or a pencil. Okay? So there you go. There's your triangle over here. What about this one? Does it have 3 vertices? Yep. Does it have 3 sides? 1, 2, 3. Yep. That makes it a triangle. So you're going to shade this one in. Okay, so you're going to continue on this page, shading in only triangles. On the next page, up here on number 1 and number 2, you're going to color any triangles, the same thing you did before. Now on number 3, you're going to trace the shapes that are triangles, only triangles. So let's look at this shape over here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So is it a triangle? No, it is not a triangle. This one does not get traced. This is a triangle, this is a triangle, and this is a triangle, so it does get traced. Then you're going to write how many sides a triangle has. How many sides does a triangle have? Good. If you wrote 4, then you are correct. Nope, I made a mistake. Sorry. Let's erase that. I'm not sure how to erase. I don't know how to erase. A triangle does not have 4 sides. Whoops. Leave that there. Leave that there. Now, a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And how many vertices? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now on the last page, you're going to use triangle-shaped flags to make 2 banners for a party. You need 10 flags in all. So you're going to draw the triangles in here like this. You're going to draw 10 in all. So right now I have 2. They put 1 for you. You're going to draw 10 in all. You can decide how many to draw on top and how many to draw on the bottom. Then you're going to write a number sentence, an addition sentence. That means there need to be a plus sign here to show how many were on top and how many were on the bottom. So if I draw 5 on top and 5 on the bottom, I'm going to write here 5 plus 5 equals 10. If I draw 4 on the top and 6 on the bottom, I'm going to write 4 plus 6 equals 10. And then the next 2 pages are optional. At the bottom here, you're going to make 2 banners again, and you need 8 flags in all. Okay, have fun doing math. I will see you guys later.